It's not uncommon for people to tell me they find organizing to be a daunting task. They say, "It's so hard, I don't know how you do it." Can I let you in on a little secret? Organizing isn't that difficult. In fact, it's quite easy if you know some simple, almost lazy, systems, products, and tips that can keep your spaces orderly without too much effort. My name is Mackenzie Scott, and I'm a certified professional organizer at M2O Organize. Welcome to another episode of M2O Exposed, where you get an inside look at the life of an organizer. At M2O, we believe organizing systems shouldn't be overly complicated. So today, I want to share some of my favorite strategies to keep things neat, even on lazy days. I'm going to clue you in on one of the easiest ways I keep things in order around my home. Yep, that's right, trash cans. Strategically placing trash cans throughout your home doesn't require a lot of energy, but it can make a big impact. With bins in different locations around my house, no one has to walk very far to dispose of things like price tags or candy wrappers. And as a result, garbage doesn't pile up. I keep clutter at bay using stylish bins that match my decor. If the thought of having cans out makes you cringe, consider hiding them in a lower cabinet or behind furniture. Try this trick and your family will thank you for not having to cross the entire house just to toss out a little piece of trash. If you're like me and you're not a big fan of laundry, then you'll love this next tip. One way to keep dirty clothes from making your rooms look messy is to have laundry baskets in designated spots around your house. If you frequently see dirty socks and shorts spread out across your floors in the bathrooms, closets, bedrooms, that's where you'll want to place a basket. I make it super simple for everyone in my household to drop dirty clothes in a basket right where they get dressed, so there's no need for them to trek all the way to the laundry room. Consider adding a sorter to your laundry repertoire. Toss your clothes directly in the sections according to how you will wash them. Whites, colors, and jeans, for example. Save yourself the extra effort of having to sort a gigantic pile later. Can you say time saver? While some people love to use containers with lids because they're easier to stack, using open containers is the simple solution to lazy organizing. When you have an open top, appropriately sized containers that are labeled, it's so much easier to put things back right where they belong. Drop an item in its designated container and forget about it. Consider using open containers for toys in a kid's playroom or snacks in your pantry. My favorite way to use open containers for lazy days is with a jewelry bowl in my bathroom and on my nightstand where I take it off most frequently. I don't always feel like putting my jewelry away immediately, so this is a good temporary landing ground. Don't worry, I'll put it away later. All the organizers at M2O encourage our clients to keep a donation box or bag handy in their closets, and as you can see, we do it in our own homes too. Instead of having a long and stressful power decluttering session, I prefer the lazy way of dropping things in my donation box as soon as I realize I no longer need, want, or use them. I'm always excited about how many great things I accumulate that are going to benefit someone else. For those of you with kids, be sure to put a donation box in their closets as well. They grow out of their clothes and toys so quickly that having a box conveniently located in their space makes it easy to collect their items for charity. If you use this technique, make sure that once your box fills up, you load it into your car and head straight to the donation center or charity of your choice. In my household, I end up emptying my boxes at least once a month to the delight of our local homeless shelter. While all of these tips and products I've mentioned can be useful and easy ways to organize without much effort, if you truly want to be lazy about organizing, I encourage you to consider having less stuff altogether. We know it can be exciting to have new things, but eventually the novelty wears off and the dread of upkeep overtakes you. Simplify your life, your home, and your efforts by just having less. Not only will you feel lighter, but you'll definitely spend less effort on organizing. Organizing doesn't have to be hard. In fact, I would encourage you to keep it as simple and lazy as possible. The way to do that is to incorporate systems that make organizing convenient for you. Whether you use all or one of the techniques I shared, don't overcomplicate the organizing process. Simple systems that are easy to access work best. Remember, not everyone has to have extreme detail in their home. Do what works best for you, and that way you'll ensure lasting success. So, we'd love to know, could organizing the lazy way work for you? Leave us a comment below and let us know if you think you'll implement any of the ideas. And if you're looking for another easy way to get your life and spaces more orderly, make sure to subscribe to M2O TV, interact with us on social media, and visit our website to see what organizing brilliance we'll be sharing next. Just search Mission to Organize. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!